So here's the one bedroom unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. So upon entering, this will be your balcony. And kung mapapansin nyo, floor to ceiling glass siya. Kaya sobrang solid itong unit na to. And this will be your kitchen. Sa kitchen nyo naman, since semi-furnished siya, of course, meron tayong over-encounter cabinets and meron na tayong cooktop dito and meron tayong fridge na kasama sa kitchen nyo. So sobrang solid din ito. And this space naman will be your living and dining. So mapapansin nyo rin, floor to ceiling glass siya. And ang maganda dito sa glass na to, na-absorb niya yung init. So hindi masyadong kulob dito sa loob ng unit nyo. And meron din tayong split type aircon na kasama dito. So punta naman tayo sa bedroom nyo. So by the way, ito yung magiging toilet and bath nyo. And this will be your bedroom. Sa bedroom nyo, ceramic wood plank na siya. And sobrang solid din ito kasi floor to ceiling glass na rin yung window nyo dito and may small balcony tayo dito. And what's good about this bedroom also, may modular closet na nakasama and may split type aircon din nakasama. So this one bedroom unit is a corner unit here in Uptown Arts Residence with balcony and pwedeng-pwede nating ma-turn over to by 2025. So, inquire now.